Are you wondering what to do if your Google Pixel 9 or 9 Pro doesn't want to charge properly? For example, if you try to charge your phone, it doesn't charge at all, or charges incredibly slowly, or if you try to insert your cable, see, it doesn't even go fully inside, or also maybe it's very loose, and if you touch your cable even a bit on your phone, it stops charging and disconnects. So yeah, any of these problems. So the most common cause of this is you simply have something stuck in your Type-C charger port. Essentially, as you place your phone in pocket, like every day, maybe some lint from the pocket simply gets finds its way inside the port essentially, and simply plugs essentially, and eventually the phone simply won't charge at all. Thankfully, we can actually fairly easily clean it, and we are going to simply need a few basic tools, such as maybe a very tiny sewing needle, so again the tiniest, smallest and thinnest you can get, also maybe a toothbrush, and also a dust blower as well. Also, let me show you what the inside of the Type-C port looks like and how we are going to clean it. For example, in the middle you have one strip which has a bunch of tiny connectors where the cable essentially connects and transfers the data, and also transfers the charging current as well. So the way we are going to clean it with our tiny needle, we are simply going to go along the edge basically and try to scoop out whatever might be inside on one side and also on the other side. Again, we want to avoid touching this strip, again those contacts as well, so again only keep edges. Okay, and also you can perhaps even get a flashlight as well to see what's actually maybe inside if you have good enough vision. But yeah, to clean it, so first also make sure to hold your phone like this so everything keeps falling out. Also, I suggest to even turn off your phone as well for the safest results, I guess. So as you see, I will simply insert my needle here. So again, hold your phone like this so everything falls out. So insert your needle here, as you see, all the way in. So you see, all the way in. And you want basically along the edge, try to scoop out whatever comes out. So again, insert all the way in. Also, you can move from side to side to try to dislodge whatever might be inside and try to get out, and repeat on the other part as well. So you see there's actually kind of something inside. So you see maybe some lint from pockets essentially. So again, as you place it in your pockets, essentially some stuff might simply find its way in and land there, and then again you won't understand why the phone doesn't want to charge. So again, we want to properly dislodge whatever might be inside there, and after that you can take literally maybe a blower like this. So again, this maybe goes like a door, while holding phone like this, simply blow inside, and we want to blow all the junk that we just managed to dislodge out from the charger port essentially. Also, you can follow up with a toothbrush as well, which is very helpful. So see, insert inside and try to brush it out properly. Again, we want to dislodge all the fine particles that might be simply stuck there. So again, properly brush it out and follow up with a blower again to again properly get rid of it. But yeah, the most effective tool again is the tiniest sewing needle you can get. Again, it has to be absolutely tiny, so basically again the space simply isn't that large there, and again with large needle obviously we risk basically touching those contacts which we obviously do not want. Also, make sure to inspect the quality of your cable if it's also not worn. For example, if you check inside, so you see there's also open space, maybe something is even stuck there, so verify it's okay. Also check this part of the cable, it also wears down quite often here. So yeah, check the quality if it's still also good. And also once the port is clean, as you see the cable even clicks in properly inside, and then you see you can even take your phone and easily dangle it around because the hold is so incredibly strong now. So you see, if the hold is very strong like this, again that means the cable is okay, and also your charger port should be okay. Okay, good luck.